Hello everyone, I'm Sabrina. So today in this video, I will show you how to do a yeast cultivation only at your home or at a hostel. So let's go!
But before that, first thing first, don't forget to wear your mask, your clean lab coat, and you have a glove, you can wear them. Now you're good to go. To do this experiment, you should have 2 clean jars, salt, sugar, yeast, a candle, and also a measuring beaker. First, you have to put 2 teaspoons of sugar inside of the both jars. Next, we have to add half teaspoon of salt to each jar. Then, bring 700 ml of water to boil. Now, the water is already boiled and we're ready for the next step. Measure 350 ml of boiling water. Pour the water into a glass jar and do the same for the another jar. Close both jars with the lid and let them at a room temperature. A candle is used as a Bunsen burner to help sterilize the air. Now we will add the yeast in the jar. But before that, move the metal teaspoon briefly through the gas flame to sterilize it before we use for the yeast. Only take a pinch of yeast and put them in one of the glass jars. The jar with the brown lid will act as a control of the experiment.
So from the video, we can conclude that the water in the jar that contains the yeast turns cloudy compared to the control. This shows that the fermentation of glucose happens in that jar. The yeast get the glucose from the sugar as their food source, and the salt in the water helps to control the yeast activity and also the rate of fermentation. So that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.